Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Cubing. So here I'll be teaching how to solve a Rubik's Cube. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future updates. And do please the like if you like it. Thank you. Now you are watching the part 3 video of how to solve a Rubik's Cube. If you remember, in our previous videos we have solved the white face and the first two layers of the Rubik's Cube. In this video, you will be learning how to solve the yellow cross and the yellow face. So let's begin. Now first you have to form a yellow cross. For that you will be having three types of situations. One is the line situation. The other one is these kind of situations, like it's like 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. in your watch. Don't look at the corner pieces, just look at the cross. The second situation is this, 9 o'clock, and the third one is a dot. You will get a dot situation, the third one, where none of them is there, only a dot is there to form the yellow cross. Let's begin with the white line, the yellow line. For this you have to remember a formula, which is the simple formula but with two extra moves. That is nothing but front, right up, right prime, up prime, and front prime. And there you go, you have solved the yellow cross for the line situation. All the formulas or the algorithms will be given in the description down below, so you can refer those. Now for the 9 o'clock situation, the same formula you have to do it twice. So let's see. Front, right up, right prime, up prime, front prime. Now you will get the line situation. Don't look at the corner pieces, just look at the yellow cross. Now you have got the line situation. Then, as you know, we can solve this with the same formula, that is front, right up, right prime, up prime, front prime. And there you go, you have solved the yellow cross. Now for the dot situation, you have to do the same formula thrice. So let's see. Now you can hold the dot anyway as you want, because it's just a dot. Neither it's in the L shape or a line shape where you have to hold it horizontally. So you can do this any side you want, no matter what you say, because it's just a dot. So you have to do the same algorithm thrice. So front, right up, right prime, up prime, front prime. See, now you have got the 9 o'clock situation. When you do it once, then just turn your cube so that it's 9 o'clock and not some other angle. Hold it in a 9 o'clock situation by just turning your cubes. Then do it. So one time was over, now two times. So that's front, right up, right prime, up prime, front prime. See, now we have got the line situation when you do it twice. Then for this, front, right up, right prime, up prime, front prime. And there you go, you have solved the yellow cross. So remember, for the line situation you have to do it once. For the 9 o'clock situation you have to do it twice. And only for the dot situation, where you get none of this but only the center piece is there. The dot situation, you have to do it thrice. After doing the yellow cross, now you have to fill these corner pieces with yellow as well, as one has been done already here. So for that, there is another simple algorithm with only 4 moves in it. So that is R prime, D prime, R, D. So for that, you have to take a corner piece which yellow is not on top. You should not take this because yellow is already on top. So for that, no need. You have to take the pieces with no yellow in it. On top, not at the sides. On top, there should be some other color, not yellow. Yellow should be not on top. So pick the piece, then do the algorithm. That is R prime, D prime, R, D. Continue the algorithm until the yellow piece is on top. Don't worry about other pieces, they will also be automatically get solved. So once R prime, D prime, R, D. Still not yet. So R prime, D prime, R, D. Still no yellow. So R prime, D prime, R, D. Yeah, yellow is there. And now you'll be asking, then this has been messed up completely. No, this has not been messed up completely. For that, you have to take another piece which doesn't have yellow on top. So just move the top, be in the same place, don't move the cube, move the top layer, turn the top layer, don't move the entire cube, just turn the top layer to where you have these kind of pieces, and yellow should be not on top. So repeat the process. So that's R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. See, as you can see, this is also on top, but still this has been messed up. Don't worry, because we are having still one more color. So bring that to the position, then repeat the process. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. See, that's all the white yellow face, and our first two layers still is in its position. If you get the yellow face full completely solved like this, and if your pieces are messed up here, like this, okay, wait, I will show that in a minute. Like this, if you get the entire yellow face solved and if yours is still messed up, then don't worry, do the same process until these are fixed. Don't forget about the yellow, do the same process until these are fixed. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. See, now these are fixed and your one yellow is not solved. So this means your cube has been twisted like this. So if your cube is like this is in the wrong state. This is unsolvable. No matter whatever you do, this is unsolvable because your cube has been twisted by accident. So what you have to do is, so this is your wrong cube if you get like this. So what you have to do is just twist it so that the yellow face is up like this. Okay, that's solved. But this is optional and only for rare cases. It's not even a case. The cube was been wrong. The stickers on the cubes were wrong. So now your yellow face is done and the first two layers is done. In our next video, we will be learning how to solve the sides of the yellow face and then the entire cube will be solved. So Please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and please do like the video if you like it. Thank you.